Hi, welcome back to another DIY tutorial.
So in this video, I will be showing you how to make this backless asymmetric cowl-neck top, which I posted on my previous video and I got so much tutorial requests. So here I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, I have my fabric here. You will need at least 1 yard, okay, 1 yard of fabric, and this is chiffon material. So you will be needing 4 band. Okay, for this particular design you need 4 band, and the width I'm working with here, let me confirm, is 3.5 inches. Okay, and yeah, without folding. Okay, so the length I'm working with here is 28.5 inches, so I'll be cutting this times 4. Okay, so that aside, now move on to the main fabric. So I have my fabric here on fold. Okay, so if you don't want to cut it on fold, you can cut it times 2 and then you join it back together, but I don't want to go through that stress, so I'm going to be so I fold it. Okay, so the length I'm working with here is 29 inches, and the width of my top is 20.5 inches. All right, so the next I'm going to mark the short part. You know, one side is longer and the other side is shorter. I'll be marking 13 inches here. Okay, from the starting of the cloth or fabric, I mark 13 inches. Then from the part where I mark that 13 inches, I mark 4 inches down. Okay, so that means the total of 17 inches out of 29 inches I have, right? So I just connected it, and I'm going to cut it now. Make sure you add your sewing allowance 0.5 inch below there. Okay, so now that I'm done now, I'm going to go to my sewing machine. I'm going to stitch down my band and I will be back.
So my straps are ready. I have stitched and ironed them. So right now, the next thing now, you're going to determine where your back is going to be, just in case if you want to add your labor. So my own asymmetric is going to, the side that is going to be longer than each other is going to be on the right side. Okay, so this is going to be the outside part, which is on the right side. And just in case if you're not going to be adding anything to differentiate it from the inside and outside, so you can just switch, you will be switching it. You can decide to wear this the other side, or to the right or to the left. But since I'm adding my cloth labor on it, so automatically I have choose this side to be the inside, and the longest part is going to be on the right side. Okay,
so now that is done, the next thing now I'm going to place my band to the cloth, so I can go and do the final finishing. So you see the part where that crease line is, that is the midpoint, which is going to be the neckline. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just pinning down my band so that I can go to the sewing machine to secure it first. And then the other side where the to the waistline, I marked 13 inches down, and then the remaining one is 4.5 inches. Okay, and also the same thing here. Place the tape to the midpoint of the fabric and mark 13 inches down, and then afterward I'm going to place my band there and I will pin it. I will go to the sewing machine and then I will secure it. Okay, so this is the second band to the waist side. I will go to the sewing machine now and secure it, and then before I will come back for the final one. So I have done secure my band. So the next thing now, I'm just going to pin this and then go to my sewing machine to stop stitch it with 0.5 inch allowance, and then I'm going to leave some space of 2 inches so that I'll be able to turn my cloth to the right side. Okay, do not make that mistake by stitching it all close. So now that I'm done stop stitch it, and not stop stitch, rather stitch it. So now I need to turn it to the right side to give it a very good press. So the part where I kept open, I'm going to also iron, and then I will stop stitch that part. I hope you understand this. So basically that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you learned something for this video. So here is the final look on the mannequin, and this cloth is available for pickup if you're in Abuja or if you're in Lagos. I can deliver to any state. Okay, yeah, thank you so much for your support, and I will see you on my next video.